Describe a special meal that someone made for you. You should say, who did it, when and how she cooked, what and why she cooked for you, and explain how you felt about the meal. Last winter, during the festive season, I had the pleasure of visiting my grandparents' home in the quiet countryside of Country Name. The warmth of family and the comfort of home-cooked meals made this visit particularly special. My grandmother, an exceptional cook with a passion for traditional recipes, was the one who prepared this memorable meal. Her culinary skills are well known in our family, and she always ensures that her dishes are made with love and care. On a chilly evening, she began cooking in the late afternoon, using fresh ingredients that she had harvested from her garden earlier that day. She employed time-honored techniques, such as slow cooking the stew in a clay pot, which not only preserved the flavors but also enhanced them, making the meal even more delicious. She prepared a traditional dish called dish name, a rich stew made with tender meat, root vegetables, and a blend of aromatic herbs and spices. This dish has always been a family favorite, and she knew it was my favorite as well. She chose to make it because she wanted to create a meal that would evoke fond memories and bring comfort during the cold winter night. The meal was extraordinary, not just in taste, but also in the emotions it evoked. With each bite, I was reminded of my childhood, filled with warm memories of family gatherings. The rich flavors and the love with which the meal was prepared made me feel deeply connected to my roots and incredibly grateful for my grandmother's effort. In summary, this meal was more than just food. It was a heartfelt expression of my grandmother's love and a moment that I will always cherish. 1. Festive season. 2. Quiet countryside. 3. Warmth of family. 4. Comfort of home-cooked meals. 5. Particularly special. 6. Exceptional cook. 7. Passion for traditional recipes. 8. Memorable meal. 9. Culinary skills. 10. Well known in our family. 11. Dishes made with love and care. 12. Chilly evening. 13. Fresh ingredients. 14. Harvested from her garden. 15. Time-honored techniques. 16. Slow cooking the stew. 17. Clay pot. 18. Preserve the flavors. 19. Enhance them. 20. Made the meal even more delicious. 21. Traditional dish. 22. Rich stew. 23. Tender meat. 24. Root vegetables. 25. Blend of aromatic herbs and spices. 26. Family favorite. 27. Evoke fond memories. 28. Bring comfort. 29. Extraordinary meal. 30. Not just in taste. 31. Emotions it evoked. 32. Reminded of my childhood. 33. Warm memories of family gatherings. 34. Rich flavors. 35. Deeply connected to my roots. 36. Incredibly grateful. 37. Grandmother's effort. 38. Heartfelt expression. 39. Moment that I will always cherish. 40. Pleasure of visiting. 41. brought me closer to my family. 42. Cultural heritage. 43. In the late afternoon. 44. Harvested earlier that day. 45. Time-honored tradition. 46. Culinary experience. 47. Visual presentation. 48. Aromatic spices. 49. Create a meal. 50. Family gatherings. 51. Blended with spices. 52. Emotionally satisfying. 53. Preserve traditions. 54. Culinary journey. 55. Strong family bonds. 56. Comfort food. 57. Traditional cooking methods. 58. Culinary delight. 59. Taste of home. 60. Cultural significance.